guys to take the gas out of this. I told them to get the gas out of this thing. We want the gas to be out first. No. Finish? No? Not yet? Alright, keep going. When you finish, you let me know. Alright, you got drama, guys. I'll stay well away from here for a bit. I told the guys to get the gas out of this thing. They said they did. Now when I get them, I'm gonna pull their ear. Next time when I say something, do it. I was convinced there was no gas in there. Anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm well away from here. I don't know if it's harmless gas or not, but if it is, I'm well away from it. Ah, you done it.